This is a visual video of a picture frame. As you can see, it holds 9 pockets. So if you want to put your kids' school pictures in there all the way up to 9th grade, you can do so. Or you can do all the way to 8th grade and leave this first pocket empty and put maybe like their name. And make another one for high school. And then a close-up. This border is 3. The frame is 3. And then I skipped a spot, as you can see. See how I skipped a spot? I skipped 3, 3, and 3. And then the middle, it connects. So I'm only skipping 1 space. So if you want to do a picture frame just like this one, you'll have 3, add a frame, go over a space like this, add your frame, skip over, and do like that. And then I fill it in as I get these stitched. Then I fill it in because I like to make it connect. See how it goes down here? That one goes up there, and that one goes up in there. That one kind of goes up in there. And then how this corner is flushed, and then it goes into this from here to here. So it kind of makes it look like it's all together, one frame. So it's 3 different grays. It is the light gray with a little bit of white in it. Then it's a red color here. This is school colors. And then for the background, I did a darker gray. Now you could have did any color. You could have did black. You could have did white. But because the school color is red and gray, I did the back a dark gray, and then a light gray with white, and then the red or maroon, burgundy. But I'll go in close if you want to take a screenshot. I will put some, I've been taking pictures as I've been going because it is a very long process. So I'm trying to figure out how I can video it. But I will have some pictures at the end for you to look at. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. This is a visual video to give you an idea. Someone said they'd like to see a picture frame, so I had to make one anyway for someone. So this is the school colors, and I wanted you to see how it looked. And then what they'll do is you just stick it in this little pocket here. Or if they want to, let's say you wanted to do some vacation pictures, you can still do this and then just turn this sideways. Like I've done here. And then just slide the picture in. I recommend laminating the pictures before you put them in here so that over time you can take the laminated pictures out and just wipe them off and clean them. And then you can just hand wash this, put it out in the sun and let it dry. Then once it's completely dry, then you can put your pictures back in it and hang it back up on the wall. So that's the great thing about it, is that you can hand wash it. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.